right cable can make or break your next mini-split installation. Selecting the cable that best suits your application and industry code ensures you're not leaving anything to chance. Understanding outdoor ratings and proper termination are critical to system performance and your success. Let's begin with outdoor ratings. The National Electric Code doesn't only cover indoor requirements, but outdoor cable requirements as well. According to the NEC, tray cable must be resistant to moisture and corrosive agents when installed in wet locations and direct burial rated. Direct burial cable leverages a water-resistant jacket and conductors to provide exterior water protection and keep water from absorbing into the jacket and conductors. To obtain a direct burial rating, cables undergo stringent mechanical water absorption and crush tests. Cables that have passed the test will feature a direct burial cable marking right on the cable jacket. Also known as UV-rated, sunlight-resistant cables are properly suited for installation in locations exposed to sunlight. To obtain this rating, cables are evaluated for long-term exposure to damaging UV light. Like direct burial, compliant cables will have a sunlight-resistant cable marking. Choosing a cable that is not properly rated per the NEC will put your project and your reputation at risk. Metal-clad mini-split cables like Genesis spinal cord cable also have specific guidance for installation outlined in the NEC. Specifically, the code outlines the use of listed connectors in your metal-clad cable terminations. Metal connectors are specifically designed for use with metal-clad cable and are listed to ensure code compliance. Alternatively, plastic connectors are not NEC compliant when used with metal-clad cable and should never be used in these installations to avoid interference and other potential issues. Metal connectors ensure grounding continuity, providing a safe and secure connection. Metal connectors designed for outdoor applications also include a watertight seal for added protection. Proper termination of your metal-clad cables maintains the integrity of your installation while ensuring a hassle-free experience for you and your customers. Increasing your understanding of NEC requirements and cable attributes before your next mini-split installation will ensure you can work accurately and with confidence during your next mini-split cable installation. Genesis mini-split cables provide a code-compliant, versatile solution for installers looking to streamline installations and improve system performance to boost your reputation. Choose Genesis mini-split cable, the best value for your cable investment. You can count on it.